Hello there, my name is Julia and this is Christopher Crocodile and he's going to help us to learn a sound today. What sound should we learn today, Christopher Crocodile? Yeah, that's a good idea. Christopher Crocodile wants to learn the sound. For food. For finger. Ow! Christopher Crocodile, let go! We do not bite fingers, do we? Say sorry. Sorry. Okay, Christopher Crocodile. Let's do some more. For fire. For football. For fire engine. Good listening, everybody. When we learn how to make the sound, we need to find our bunny rabbit teeth. These are our bunny rabbit teeth. Can you put your bunny rabbit teeth out? Good try. Shall we see if Christopher Crocodile can find his bunny rabbit teeth? Okay, let's have a look. Put your lips together. There we go. Can you see his teeth? Very good. Let's all have a try together. Let's find our teeth. Now when we've got our teeth, we need to suck and blow. Suck and blow. Let's have a go. Very good. I think we should ask Christopher Crocodile to have a go. Are you ready? Find your bunny rabbit teeth and suck. Blow. Very good. When we're learning the sound, sometimes we can pretend to be a giant. So stand up tall, put your hands on your hips and shout those giant words. Fee, fi, fo, fum. Here I come. Are you being a giant? Do you want to have a go, Christopher Crocodile? Let's be a giant together. Stand up tall, hands on hips. Fee, fi, fo, fum. Very good, Christopher Crocodile. I like seeing you all be giants. Now you can say the sound. Let's see if we can say it 5 times. Are you ready? Here we go. Very good, well done. Let's think of some words that start with the sound. Christopher Crocodile, can you think of one of your friends that starts with the sound? No, silly. Snail doesn't start with the sound. Try again. Yes, that's right. Your friend, the fish, starts with the f sound. Let's say it all together. Fish. Make sure you find your bunny teeth and blow. Fish. Very good. Let's try one more word. Let me have a think. I might need your help. Can you think of a word that starts with the sound? Have a think. Let's have a go then. good try having a go. That sounds really good. One more word is foot. Do you have a foot, Christopher Crocodile? Oh, he does look. Here's Christopher Crocodile's foot. Can you say foot? Foot. Very good. Keep practicing your sound, and Christopher Crocodile will help you to practice.